Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's topic is 2D shapes. In 2D shapes, the first shape is circle. We can compare circle with a round biscuit, button, and a clock. Circle has 0 sides. Second shape is square. A square biscuit having 4 sides is a square. Window, photo frame. Square has 4 sides. Triangle. Usually a pizza slice is a triangular shape. Samosa and sandwich. Triangle has 3 sides. Rectangle. Some biscuits are in rectangular shape. Recognize the biscuits which are in rectangle shape. A book is rectangular and a door is also a rectangular. Rectangle has 4 sides, but they are not equal as square. Oval. Oval may resemble with the racket, mirror and hairbrush. Oval has 0 sides, but it is not like circle. It is bit lengthy in one side. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.